Big news, Paradime is now partnered with MotherDuck. And we're proud to be the only code IDE that supports both MotherDuck and DuckDB right out of the box. So, how does this integration help with DBT development? First, it saves you money. You can cut out Cloud Warehouse compute costs during DBT development. Next, it allows you to perform analytics on data stored in JSON, Parquet, Iceberg, or other formats in S3. It allows data teams on Postgres or teams without a cloud data warehouse to more easily perform analytics work. And lastly, you can natively do all your MotherDuck or DuckDB workloads directly within Paradime. Now let me show you exactly what this integration looks like. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Paradime to load data into a local DuckDB database and then load said database into the MotherDuck Cloud Data Warehouse. To start, I'll simply run a dbt command in the Paradime terminal, dbt seed target DuckDB. This command will load data from my dbt project into my local DuckDB. Next, I'll open DuckDB and then attach my local database called localquack. Now I want to verify if data was properly loaded into that localquack database. There are many ways to do this, but I'm going to use a fun tool called Harlequin, which creates an easy-to-use DuckDB IDE directly within the terminal. So here I see that 3 tables were loaded into localquack, and I can even query all the data in this query editor. Next, I'm going to load that localquack database into the MotherDuck Cloud Data Warehouse. So I'll open DuckDB again, and then access MotherDuck using the command openmd. Next, I'll attach localquack to MotherDuck, and then specify localquack as the current database. Lastly, I'll create a new database in MotherDuck with the following command. Now let's head over to MotherDuck to see if that MotherQuack database was loaded properly. And there it is. I successfully used Paradime to create a local DuckDB database and then load that data into MotherDuck. There are countless ways to use DuckDB and MotherDuck in Paradime, and I hope this simple demo can help you get started. Toodles!